From overwhelmed to profitable. My first month using AI tools. A case study. If you're overwhelmed with content, emails, and never-ending to-do lists, I've been there. Not that long ago, I felt completely buried and overwhelmed. My productivity suffered. I got easily distracted and sometimes didn't get it all done. But as soon as the AI tools came out, I started using them. And I never looked back. These tools don't replace me, but they're like having my own assistant. They handle tasks from helping me brainstorm ideas, to creating content, to updating my websites. Within just 30 days of using these AI tools, here's what happened. I cut my content creation time by 70%. I built an entire funnel in a few hours. And I had my first profitable month without the burnout. The lesson? AI doesn't replace you, but it speeds up the mundane tasks so you can get more done in less time. That allows you to make money online and still have a life. Since then, I've put my whole process together so anyone can learn how to implement AI tools into their online business. I call the process the Marie Grove method. My training is AI Affiliate Fast Track. If you want the exact method I use in my business every day, check out the link in the description below this video.